Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my pre-workout weight loss smoothie, OATzempic. This weight loss smoothie has been all over the internet and I had to give it a try. So I've been trying it for a few weeks now and I absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested, keep watching, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. All right, so now let's hop into it. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. So this smoothie only has 2 ingredients. It's super easy to make, and the first ingredients we're going to be using is oats. Oats is an amazing source of carbs and fiber, and it's also a good source of protein. Oats is packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation, and studies show that consuming oats can reduce your BMI, your body fat, and your waist to hip ratio. So, I like to use old-fashioned oats for this recipe, and I'm going to be using half a cup of old-fashioned oats. Now remember, if you want more smoothie, always use more of the ingredients, but this amount of oats will be good for 1 cup. So I can rant for days about how amazing oats have been in my life. So when I found out about OATzempic, I had to try because I love oats. They are so good and it's a good food that literally does it all. And if you're wondering where the name OATzempic came from, it comes from Ozempic. Ozempic is a medicine that can be prescribed by your doctor and is supposed to help lower your blood sugar. But a lot of celebrities and others have been using it to lose weight. So that's where the name Ozempic comes from. So you are going to go ahead and put that in a blender. The next ingredients we're going to be using is lime. So lime is a great source of vitamin C. It helps reduce inflammation, improve healthy skin, as well as improve immunity. Limes are also very low in calories, but high in micronutrients, making it the perfect addition to your weight loss smoothie. So you are going to go ahead and use a half of lime for this recipe and squeeze that into the blender. So I've been doing this Ozempic drink for the past couple of weeks and definitely recommend. I think it's a great pre-workout drink. It's been going viral over the internet for the past couple of months, and I'm glad I had tried it because it actually works wonders. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is very optional. This is half a teaspoonful of cinnamon. I use this because it gives an extra flavor to the smoothie. You can choose to skip this part if cinnamon is not your thing. The last but not the least ingredient I'm going to be using for the smoothie is water. I like to use filtered water for this smoothie. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 cup of water into the blender and blend everything up. So I like to blend it for about a minute or maybe 2 minutes. I want all of the oats to be blended. Well, if you don't blend it well, it's going to be a little bit chunky. If you don't mind the chunkiness, then that's good. Don't blend it as much. But if you don't like the chunkiness, blend it until it's of a better consistency. So now to drink this, some people add some form of sweeteners or honey to their smoothie, and you can absolutely do that. I don't want to do that because I'm trying to lay off these sweets, but this is the recipe, and I put it in a jar and drink this before my workouts, so it doesn't taste bad at all. A lot of people say that they have seen amazing results with this technique. People say that they have lost as much as 40-50 pounds drinking the Ozempic. So give it a try. It doesn't hurt because it's all natural. And let me know if this is something that you will be willing to try down below in the comment section. And if you're still watching till this time, Drop Oatzempic in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.